details, do you like them just for me? Do you like them just for me? I'm hating on my
It's the glamorous queen herself, and she's back with a BBL, a bust down BBL, and she's better than ever. Any questions? Because wait, can you part your bust down BBL any which way? I didn't think so. Oh, can you also braid her? No? Okay, then you might want to keep on watching. I'm about to have a lot of fun. So without further ado, we're just going to jump right into it. You can check the timestamps in the description box, and all the details will be listed below. Listen, unboxing your luxury wigs should indeed be an experience. It should be a moment, one that you enjoy, that you look forward to, and I like being pleasantly surprised. So I appreciate RPGSHOW stepping things up and definitely elevating this experience. With luxury wigs, you don't have to worry about bleaching the knots or even plucking your hairline. So after co-washing my unit, I went in with the volumizer, and this is a way to create that silky, lustrous look. And you don't have to worry about using a comb or brush with your blow dryer. It's a one-step solution. Just make sure you rotate the volumizer to create a little tension in the section to give a more silky, more straight, lustrous finish. And I love when my bust down is just silky to the gods. So I like to do the comb chase method. I work in small to medium sections, and trust me, it gives me the same effect every time. It makes a huge difference. Plus, your wig is going to be on flat, and that's what we want anyway, right? Look at that sheen. Look at the shine. That wig is speaking. What's she saying to you? Because she's talking to me. Of course, I'm using the ball cap method. It creates more flat laying wig. Use pantyhose. It's thin, it's super sheer, it's everything. And I'm using the Bold Hold liquid gold to secure the bald cap in place. This is different from the Got2b glue. I actually think it might be a little bit better. You can apply it much like you would the Got2b glue, but one layer, a nice thin sheared down layer, is perfect. You can use your finger, you can use a makeup spatula as I am doing. Just make sure that you give it ample time to dry. Now see me, I wanted to give my cap ample time to dry. So to those of you who worry about your cap moving, do this step if you can and you feel comfortable. Sew down the back. It makes a huge difference. It reduces the amount of movement and it keeps it in place. It can be a little bit scary sewing in the back of your head, but girl, if I can do it with prayer, anything is possible. Okay, amen. Now, after about 15 to 20 minutes, you trim off the excess. You can use a razor, you can use small scissors as I'm doing. But honey, look at that cut. That cut is clean. And again, if you want to tint the cap, go ahead and do that as well. So make sure that you use some toner. I'm using the Dickinson's Witch Hazel toner to clear the area just in front of the bald cap. I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'll be using the Bold Hold Extreme Cream. But first, if you intend to use this product, please do a skin test and be sure to apply the Skin Protect first and then apply a rather generous amount of the extreme cream to make sure that you don't have any irritation. You don't want to skip this. When using glue, the first thing you want to do is apply the Bold Hold Skin Protect to a cotton round. Apply it to the cotton round, not directly to the skin. And you want to really work that in and give it time to dry down. I get a little bit scared because I don't want to mess up when it comes to glue. So I'm actually going to create slits in the front of the lace. Creating slits in the lace allows me to peel back the lace edge so that I can create little dots to show exactly where the hairline will begin. And this is also an indicator of where the glue does not need to exceed or go past, which is really important. The neater you are, typically the better your results. Now, I don't want to mess up my placement, so I'm going to gently slide the wig back. You can secure the lace away if you need to. And I'm going in with the Bold Hold Extreme Cream. And I'm going to be doing a very thin layer of the product. I'm avoiding the bald cap. I'm not applying glue to the cap, because then you might apply it on your hair. And girl, do you want edges? I plan to wear this unit for about 6 to 7 days, so I'm only applying 2 layers. You can apply more, you can apply up to 7 layers, giving it time to dry in between each layer. I'm nervous, so 2 layers of glue, that's it for me, and I'm allowed to dry down using the cool and warm setting, toggling between both. And this is when I want to go in and clean off those white dots, because again, you do not want to pull your wig into place with those white dots sitting in front of the glue. And then make sure that area is dry. I'm going to situate the front edge of the hairline right at the start of the Bold Hold Extreme Cream. You want to use the comb to press the lace into the Bold Hold Extreme Cream. This is a secure hold, so you don't have to be scary like me. But when I say it's stuck even with 2 layers. Let's say you notice a little bit of a line of demarcation and you can actually see the front edge of your wig cap under the lace. Take a small section of hair that is situated just behind that wig cap. It's very important to be behind the wig cap. And you want to take your comb and press it down into the section, moving the comb towards the front, because we want to go in the opposite direction when we install the unit. So we're going forward. Trust me, it can make a difference. And if it's giving like a bust down middle part, don't let the middle part be off center. And if you have to pluck it and tweeze it a little bit, you can do that as well. What I love about using glue is that it's so much more secure than a spray, so your ear tabs are not going to be moving if you do it correctly. Everything stays in place, and so when you're trimming off the excess lace, it should be a breeze. Look at how good this looks. And honey, I did not tint the lace. Let's talk about that. This is incredible HD lace, and those knots bleached. Now the adult swoops are on 10, but with a unit of this price, it should not be about doing too much work on the hairline. Gentle swoops to accentuate the slay. And let's talk about this texture. This is a yaki texture. This is one of the best textures for beginners. And you're talking about longevity, your unit is going to last. It's also a great texture if you do want to wear your full lace wig with like 2 braids. Girl, you can do that. It's a great texture, super versatile. Now, even though this is 20 inches, it's a standard density, so it's not overwhelming and it's layered. And I love that about this unit. Like the layers just give it that 90s old school vibe. It's giving very much Brandy sitting up in my room. Now, definitely check out RPGSHOW. This is a season where there are so many sales and you can get the unit you love of your choice at a discounted price. Y'all know I like expensive things, but I like when I can get a discount. So definitely be sure to utilize those codes. This is the season to purchase your wig. Don't play. So if you hate bleaching knots, if you hate plucking your hairline, if you want it to be easy, breezy, everyday ready, go get this Yaki texture. Now, when I take this elastic band off, case closed. Thank you. Yep. She did it. I stayed true to my promise. I showed you how to elevate that bust down. And to show you guys just how versatile this unit is, I struggled to do some braids on this wig because I got nails on. You know, nails, they slow me down. But if I can do a braid on my second attempt, girl, you better get in there and do what you're supposed to do so you can slay. This, I shocked myself. I was so stunned. Like, I'm really out here braiding a wig. Like, soon, y'all already can't talk to me, but like, my phone gonna be off. Like that, you can't even reach me at that point. Listen, the slay speaks for itself. You see the hairline, and this wig is not going anywhere. I took the ball cap method and made it go crazy with this one. So definitely let me know if you're feeling this look. I appreciate you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you're new. The slay continues, okay? And kiki with me in the comments because I want to know, did I do my thing? What y'all think? Oh, and thumbs up for the slay most definitely, and share it with your homeboys and your homegirls. And I hope I see you in the next one. Stay glamorous.